Hello my friends and welcome back. Today I'm going to share with you the May new releases for the Scrappy Fox shop, and I've got a nice fat stack of things here for you. So I'm going to start off with all the freebies. So I'll put the new Doodles for the month of May off to the side and we will go through the Doodles. So we've got, because I'm in the TPC sale, I have the TPC freebie in here. So during the TPC sale, which I'm a part of, everything in the store will be 25% off. The TPC, I want to say it's next week. It's the Thursday after Mother's Day is when it starts. So Mother's Day is next Sunday. So it's coming up next week. Yeah, so it starts on Thursday and it goes all the way through till the following Monday. So anyway, that's that. So here is the TPC freebie. So if you are buying during the TPC sale, everybody gets this. If you put in the code to get the discount, you get this right here. So this is just like a little happy camper, little camping icons, which are super adorable. I love these. Then if you spend $20, you get this plus this, and this is in the kit colors, and you've got a little summer to-do list here. You've got your little paint swatches and a couple little other little paint dots. Then if you spend $40 or more, you get the summer scripts, which is all of these scripts here, which you have like beach day, barbecue, hiking, catch some rays, you know, just summer, fun little summer scripts for you to add to your planner. And then if you spend $60 or more, you get this, which is the mini kit. So this is all matching, everything matches and goes together. So if you spend $60, you get all of these. So you have your 8 full boxes here. This is a double box, but it is cut down the middle, so it is actually 8 boxes. Then here's your page 2 with all your washies and your date covers. And this is just absolutely adorable kit. Here's your page 3 and your page 4. And these are all dividers right here. It's really, really cute kit. But if you aren't buying during the TPC sale so that you can't take advantage of the freebie section, this kit right here is also available as a standalone. So you can still get this kit if you want it, or if say you didn't want to buy $60 worth of stuff and you just want the kit, it's there. It's in the new releases section. So that's that. I'm already out of breath and it just started. Oh my gosh, I'm so out of shape. New Doodles. So some of these are summer, most of them are summer. And then this one was a request by one of my PR girls, Tara. She wanted a birthday one. So this is the birthday fluff. It's really cute. Then you've got beach day fluff. I'm going to bring them up kind of close so that you can see them. So she's in her little bikini with her beach ball ready to go. And then you've got camping Coco. So Coco is camping. My husband, when I showed him this, he's like, that tent is going to catch on fire. He has no imagination, but he is roasting marshmallows and he is wearing a shirt. This shirt is actually from Blue's Clues because I thought it was so cute and I happened to be looking at something. And so I put him in a Blue's Clues shirt. So he's Coco Steve. Next is Sandcastle. So this is fluff building or sandcastles. Then you've got Fishing Coco. This little fishing bucket of fishes and his fishing rod. Then you've got Coco on the lake. So he's got his little juice and in his boat just chilling. Then you've got juicing fluff. Pretty self-explanatory. I've been doing a lot of that lately. Not juicing, but smoothies. So good. Love the fruit smoothies. And then this one is Cool Off, which, you know, summertime coming up. I thought this was a fun one. So it can be either, you know, use it as summertime, it's like a hot day, or you can use it if you're like having hot flashes or whatever. I think no matter what, it's going to work. Then I have a new kit format. Just going to try it out this month. And if it ends up being that nobody needs them, that's totally fine. I'm still going to make them for myself. I just won't put them up. But I've been making already B6 kits for myself because I have my Avalon and 9th B6 and I have been making kits for myself. So this is one of the new releases, and this one is called Happy Hippos. And I made a monthly, so you can see the monthly section, and these are scaled way down, the months. So this comes with it, and you get the months. Obviously, probably wouldn't put January there, maybe August. Anyway, that's the months. Then this is your page 1. So it's just a little two-page monthly kit. This one is. So here's your top washi. There's some glitter strips so you can put in an extra box, some paint swatches, your days of the week, and your numbers. And then your page 2 with your sidebar, some extra boxes to fill in, you know, those days where there's nothing because the dates don't go all the way to the end. And then some little boxes here. And these are sized to fit in like B6 size monthly. there's that. Then this is a B6 size kit, and this is again Happy Hippos, and these are scaled as B6 size so that they'll be shorter and fit better on that size planner. And you've got some bigger washies, glitter washies at the bottom. Then this is your page 2 with your washi at the bottom, your your date covers, and some other little extras. And then this is page 3, which is just a lot of functional boxes for you, but they're smaller in size, so you can kind of spread them out and use them as you want. Glitter, today's to-dos, and some little extra functionals here that like your movie marquee and your bill due, weekly spending, that kind of stuff. So that is the B6 format. The only one I have this month for you is Happy Hippos because I wanted to see if anybody wanted it, and if you do, I will continue to make them using artwork going forward. If not, then I'll just make it for myself because I have been already. Usually I use the artwork from the monthly subscription, and I make my own out of that because I like having the monthly subscription artwork, and it's like, you know, I just like having it. So I usually make it out of that, but obviously I won't do that for the B6s for the shop because that's just monthly subscription stuff. But this is that same kit, but this is the mini kit format for the regular size planner, and this is the TPC add-on. So if you want the TPC add-on, and then this is just a regular mini kit format of the little hippos. So I'll show you this one. And this one, and that is that. So that is Happy Hippos, all Happy Hippos. Now I'm going to go through all the mini kit formats that I have for this month because I have a few different ones and they're really cute. So TPC Nation, this is the Force. Oops, let me put that down. So this is the TPC add-on for the Force. So these all remind me of like little magazine covers. So each one of them is turned into a box. So you've got your 8 full boxes here, and I love the artwork. I think it is so stinking cute. Your page 2 with your very star patterned washies. Your page 3, same mini kit format, and your page 4. So there, these are 2 in there. Actually, no, that's BB-8. Sorry, I couldn't see. That one's BB-8, but there's that one. So there is the mini kit version for the Force. That is the only one I have. I don't have a big version of that. Then mini kit for Honey. Sorry, I have more than one in here, so I need to make sure I grab only what I want. So, and for some reason I grabbed more than one of those, but this is the TPC for Honey. This is a bright. I love the colors of this. You can see how bright and beautiful it is with the oranges and the blues and the yellows. It's very summertime. It's absolutely adorable. And you have it in, this one only comes in a mini kit version, but there's another one called Sunflower. I can't remember what I called it. Sunshine. Sorry. There's another one called Sunshine that's similar to this, but not the same. And your last page. So I will show you that one when we get to it, but keep in mind that they are very similar in color, but different as far as their artwork is concerned. Maybe I'll do it next so that way you can see it close together. I think, is that it? More, there's more. Sorry, there it is. Okay. So this one is called Sunshine, and you can see here that the colors are very bright, very close, so they could theoretically go together if you wanted to have like a giant spread. But if you want this kit, it's got more sunflower stuff, and that one's more like bees and honey kind of stuff. So there's all of your full boxes. These also, the full kits, like these deluxe kits, also come in printable, so you can look these up if you want them in the printable section in the shop. And this page. And this one, this is hard to see, but there's a movie marquee right here, but it's really light artwork and my lights are washing it out. Then this one here with all of your deco. Then tons and tons of boxes, pattern boxes and just color boxes. And then you've got your TPC add-on for this one is a whole page. So if you just want the TPC add-on, you just order that. Then this is your add-on, other add-ons with the extra boxes with the different skin tones and your check boxes. And then this one is part of the regular kit. It's not add-on, but this is your functionals. And then your glitter and washi dividers. So that is Sunshine. It's a very pretty kit. It's very bright. Sorry, I moved my whole entire mat here. Next, I'm going to do Sugarcraft. So this one, it was out of necessity. because I have, between Mother's Day and all the birthdays this month, there is a lot going on, and I wanted something to kind of put in my planner for the memory keeping stuff, because there's so much going on and there's so many birthdays and whatnot. And this one is very kind of soft pastel-y colors and very food. I love it. It's just so beautiful between the roses and the cakes and the cookies and the little cake pops. It's just beautiful. And I love the kitchen scene. Like, this is just gorgeous. So there's all of your full boxes. Another full box here in your washies. And then this one. And then this one. This. So some of these you guys already know, so I'm not going to point them out every single time, but you know that 2 of them are add-ons. Like the main kit has 8 pages, and then these 2 right here are always going to be the add-ons. So when I'm showing them to you, TPC and the extra boxes are always going to be add-ons. But you got a double box of that beautiful kitchen, but in the dark colors, and then different skin tone, and then just a pretty pattern box, and your check boxes, and then your TPC add-on. So there is Sugarcraft. I have a lot of kits this month because there was so much artwork that I wanted to do, and I just kind of got wrapped up. So I had to do Stranger Things because I love Stranger Things and the new season is coming out. So I really wanted to use this artwork. Goodness, just artwork. Everybody loves it. Everybody has a different version of it. This is mine. Love this. This is like one of my favorite boxes right here. And then I love these guys. It's just really cute artwork from her. Just gonna flip through it. It's so bright, like the colors are so bright and beautiful. I can't wait to use this kit. And then let's do this way, because this isn't an add-on. This is part of the kit. And this is part of the kit. And then these are your add-ons, your TPC add-on, like the car, and then your extra boxes and your check boxes. So there is Stranger Things. Next, I'm going to do Honeydukes. I've been hanging on to this artwork for a little while. I want to be able to do more Harry Potter kits, but I just don't have anybody to... I'm not able to do the... You know, I'm waiting for my poor little artist to be back to work, and she does all my Harry Potter exclusive Harry Potter kits. So until then, I'm just kind of going and looking around and trying to find stuff. And this one I've had in my little stash for a while to use artwork wise, and so I finally put it together because I'm missing having my Harry Potter kits. So this one is Honeydukes. It's bright, it's beautiful, it's very candy themed. I actually have one of these. I wish I could reach it so I could show it to you, but I have one of those up on my Harry Potter shelf. So there's that page. This jelly bean washi. I really love the colors of this. You know me, I'm like into the brights. I have a hard time with the pastels. I use them, like I did my Mother's Day kit the other day, and it was very pastel. Not my Mother's Day kit, but one of the artwork ones that I have in the shop. And it was hard for me because I'm so used to all these bright colors. Here's your TPC page and your extra add-on page. So that is Honeydukes. I need my bright, bold colors. And then one for Dad. So this one is just called Dad. And this artwork is adorable and bright and cute and fun. And I love it. So I just had to. Look at how fun this washi is. This is such a bright kit. This would be fantastic. If you've got little kids and they're celebrating Father's Day, this is like a beautiful Father's Day kit for them. Because it's so little kid, but just the colors alone are just absolutely fantastic. This one, and then let's put it in order. This one. These pages are a little bit bigger because I wanted to fit more on there for you, where you could have the paint swatches and everything wasn't scrunched together so much, because sometimes the machine really hates to cut like that. So these ones are a little bit bigger. I probably could make them the same size as the rest, but I don't. You guys don't care. And then your extras. I love that box right there. So cute. And that is everything that I have for the new releases for the month of May. Like I said, TPC sale will be starting the Thursday after Mother's Day. That's the only thing I can think of because I don't have the dates in front of me and I forgot them. So you've got a ton of stuff here. I can't wait for this sale. You've got the new B6 kits. Don't forget about also Until the 10th of this month, you can get the Star Wars Father's Day kit from thescrappyfox.com. That one is the monthly subscription. I will, as always, if I have any leftovers, although I do not think I'm going to have any leftovers this time, guys, I will put them up in the Etsy shop after the sale is over. I honestly don't think I'm going to have any because I am like almost to max capacity. So if it's something that you want, I would hop on and subscribe earlier rather than later, because I mean, like, the way the subscriptions work is I have a certain number of them available each month and then I shut it down. So if I reach capacity before the 10th, then I will shut down the new subscriptions and you'll have to wait till the following month when I open up more. So anyway, I hope you guys have a fantastic day and I will see you very, very soon with another plan with me. Have a great day. Bye.